Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. And in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly do support and resistance like a pro. When I started trading crypto in 2020, I've always been seeing all this line drawing them up and down, and I don't even know what all these things means. And in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly draw support and resistance so you don't struggle with it like how I started in my crypto journey. So what are support and what are resistance? Support and resistance are areas of value. When I mean area of value, that is where buyers and sellers see value in buying and selling an asset. I can use this for any pairs, be it crypto, forex, stocks, or any financial instrument. So areas of value or support and resistance, they are turning points in the market. They are places where buyers buy and sellers sell. So you can see support and resistance as, let's say you held a tennis ball, right? And in that tennis ball you try bouncing it inside the room. Whenever it bounces on the floor, it goes up. Whenever it touches the ceiling, it goes down. So the floor is the same as the support. Wherever the price get there, it goes up, and the ceiling is the same as resistance. Whenever the price get there, it get down. So in this video I'm going to show you. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, because you are going to see more and amazing content like this. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so welcome to this video, and I'm going to show you guys how to draw support and resistance like a professional. You can use this method for any kind of pair, be it crypto, forex, stock, or even option, and you can use it on any type of time frame. So I'll be using 4 different time frames for you guys in this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to this channel. Now let's proceed. So this is Solana/USDT 2 hours time frame, 2 hours chart. Now the first thing you want to look is, if you are drawing support and resistance, you want to look for the highest number of touches. Now these are the properties of support and resistance. They must be obvious. That means that you have to see them easily on your chart, and they have to be significant. Now looking at these charts, right, you can see that obviously there is a line where the market keeps turning back whenever I get there. Now here, let's get started. So by zooming in, so at this region you can see that there is obviously a resistance here. You can see that there is obviously a resistance here. How? Because the market keeps on rejecting. Now to draw support and resistance like a pro, you want to make sure that you add it to at least 2 to 3 touches. The market must touch your line must touch the market at least 2 to 3 times. So checking this, so you can see that for this resistance that I just drew, let me change the color so you guys will be able to see very well. Now for this support and resistance that I just drew, you can see that the number of touches is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, giving us a very valid area of value, which is the resistance in this case. Now let's draw the support. So drawing the support here, this is, now you can see this region, right? This is a very good area of value for support. You can see how many touches: 1, 2, 3. There was a breakout here: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 places to draw the support and resistance. Now if I put, let's say let's assume I put the line here. Yes, you can also draw another resistance, but it's not touching the highest number of touches. So if I were you, I'll be paying most references to this region, right? Now let's look at Ethereum/USDT 1 week pair. Now you can draw support and resistance using rectangle or horizontal line. So for this one, you can see this region, right? Now at this region, now we can draw multiple support and resistance line. Now let's draw for the support. You can see that at this region where my cursor is, this line, you can see that there is a very good area of value here, support here. Let's count it, guys. So counting this, you can see 1, 2, 3. You can see 1, 2. So definitely I'm expecting the market, if the market is eventually coming down, I'm expecting the market to get here before turning back. So a support here, a support here. Now let's look for the resistance. Trust me, you can use this method for any pairs. You can use this method for any pair and any time frame. So looking at the resistance, you can see 1, 2, 3. So the market is currently at the resistance right now. This market is currently at the resistance. You can see this is a touch here, a touch here, even a touch here. There was even a touch here and a touch here, giving us a 4 time area of value. So if you're taking a trading decision, if I'm taking a trading decision based on this, if I'm buying this asset, I wait for this market to break this resistance, retest it before going up. If I'm taking a sell short decision here, then I'll wait for a bearish engulfing or other bearish pattern price action before I can sell. So this market is currently at a resistance, and it is just better to wait for the bearish price action to form before taking any trading decision. Now, looking forward to another time frame. This is Polkadot slash USDT to Polkadot slash USDT 4 hours pair. Right now, we are going to draw multiple support and resistance on this region. Now, let's get there, guys. Let's get there, guys. Don't forget the 3 rules to join support and resistance like a pro. The first one is it has to be obvious, it has to be significant. That's the second rule. The third rule is it has to touch the highest number of touches. Once you can get through these 3 rules, you can easily draw any support and resistance at your pace. So let's get started. So for this region, you can see that there is definitely an area of value here. You can see that there is an area of value here. Now let's get started. This is 1 where my cursor is. This is 2, right? This is 3, and even this is 4. You can see this one, right? The market didn't get here, so we can see 3 area of value here. 1, 2, 3. So I'm expecting the market to, if eventually it will eventually get there, I'm expecting it to react to this region. Now there's another area of value that we have to take note here too, right? So looking at this place, we can see that there's another area of value here. This region, right? Now zooming in my chart, you can see that I have multiple. So this is area of value where support or resistance and resistance on support. So the more the number of touches, the more significant and powerful this area of value. So let's count this. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. You can see a bounce here. Then this is 5, resistance, 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 resistance. Then another. So this market is currently at the resistance now. So I'm waiting for the bearish price action to eventually form before I cannot take a trading decision. Now, don't forget that this market, don't forget that any area of value you are drawing, you have to make sure that you are treating it like a region. For instance, now this line that I'm drawing now, I'm treating this as a region. So let's get to another one. Let's get to Dalana slash USDT. Let's use 4 hours chart at this region. So you can see this one, John. So let's draw area of value here. So let's count this. Make sure you count it, the number of touches, and please make sure the touches are actually true, because you don't just draw it based on what you feel. Draw it based on what you see. Now see this one, right? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even extend this line. You can further extend this line. It has to be obvious and clear. You can see this region, right? So we are further extending this line. So you can see that this market is now back on the resistance. Resistance turn support, support turn resistance, resistance turn support. So obviously we're expecting the market to get to this region, and so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's the way you can learn more amazing content like this, and let me know which topic you would love to learn in trading. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and be good, guys.